actual air temperature outside. It's windy. That's dropping the wind chill down in that 30 below range. I just left the house in Cloquet, and I'm heading back down towards the cities, but I'm going to swing over and see Zachary and Samantha, stop at their house. I want to see the Argo. I have a couple of LED lights to drop off for it. I have a dash camera to drop off for them. So I'm just going to swing over. I was going to do it on my way up here, but there was a snowstorm coming, so we decided to wait and do it here at the end of the weekend. About 15 minutes to go and I'll be there. It's been kind of nice. This is a totally different drive home for me, going kind of across the state, east to west instead of going down north to south. So it's been kind of interesting to see the different towns. I haven't been on this road here for quite a long time. That wind is really whipping coming across these open fields like this. I made it. Well, there she is. Wow. Look at that nice axle on there. It's going to be nice to have her going again.
Yeah, I went and got a new fuel filter for it. I already picked that up. So this one that was new is now no good because that sucked up that gas.
Right.
And then last night I just this bearing
yeah,
is
that
broken.
bearing's broke, so we're gonna need a new one of those.
Yep, and I'm gonna need another new bearing for.
And that'll keep the water from getting out around the front there.
Yep.
I see.
Yeah, but I thought they discontinued it, and I got worried, but they just said.
I've seen that in the one video you did, but that was really bad. The other ones seem fine. The front tire and the rear tire ones, they didn't seem bent at all.
They seemed okay, yeah.
Okay.
From what I can tell.
You could see it even when you were driving, or when you had the wheels going, that the middle ones were like going. So.
And this was.
Oh, is that the one that was broke?
Yeah, right here was where the little grease spot was.
Yep.
So it should have this right there.
Cool. Yeah, like something like that. And then if we can put something around it if we need to or whatever.
Yeah.
And that's going to be super bright then. Or if you think of another place, that's fine. But just something like that, as long as they're equal on each side.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can measure that. I'll take a couple pictures of it. Well, everything looked really good on the six-wheeler. We're gonna add those LED lights. They're like 2,300 lumen each, so it's gonna be really bright. And it was just nice to see the progress that's already happened on it. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. It's just a little bit before noon right now. It's still 7 below zero outside. The high today is -1 Fahrenheit. And we're in the beginning of March. I just stopped in at the China buffet right there. I'll go in there. You guys have seen me go in there before. And I just get a takeout box and run through the buffet and pay for it and leave. But there was a real nice lady who lives in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, and her and her husband watch the channel, so I talked to her for a couple minutes. There's been a few times I've been in there now, and there have been people that follow the channel. Three miles to go. I will see you guys on the next video.